Ideal Electric is a over 100-year-old American manufacturer of electric motors and generators. We manufacture machines for almost every industry, and they're all over the world, more than 100 countries.
I came to this place because this place has an excellent reputation in Mansfield. You're not standing at a machine all day long. You're not doing the same thing all day long. And I think that's what appeals to most people.
We're not just building new machines here, we're also servicing Ideal machines, we're doing repairs, we're building new components, we're doing fit function replacement, and not just of Ideal machines, but any original equipment manufacturer. It's a really interesting time for Ideal. We have a lot of folks that are second and third generation working here, and at the same time, we're bringing new people in.
With every interview that we do, we bring them out to the plant floor and we introduce them to the employees on the shop floor, and we show them the processes that it takes to build stuff. And it usually doesn't take much convincing after that.
I like the people. Everybody's been really nice and really helpful, and anything I need, I know I can go to anybody for it.
They're all good people. We all help each other when somebody needs help. We stop. In fact, quite a few of us knew each other for a while.
The average tenure in the shop is about 20 years. We have a lot of people that have worked in a lot of disciplines, and they are always willing to train new people when they come in. So if somebody wants to learn a new skill, there's always somebody there to help them.
Seeing the final product and knowing that it's helping somebody really is the most gratifying part of it.
When we get done with something and it ships out of here, everybody that's touched that job through the shop knows what that unit's going to be used for once it's complete. And it just instills a lot of pride in people. That's not something that's typically done in a factory.
This is the only manufacturer of high horsepower machines that's not a multinational major corporation. We don't have anyone to answer to but ourselves, and that is pretty extraordinary. We have a motor on the shop floor right now that went from a napkin to test floor in 14 weeks. And that's because we're able to make every piece of that machine right here in Mansfield.